children? How are you all? Again, we will do the daily routine. You all know, no? Daily routine. We were learning in one book, no? Every day. Yes, good habits. Yes? Yes, yesterday we learned what is that? Saving the money. We learned, no, how we have to save the money. Okay, children, before starting our class, shall we ask you something? How was our Sankranti celebration video, children? How was it? ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ? You all enjoyed? Fine. Tell me how you celebrated at home. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? ತಲೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಬ್ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ? ಎಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೊಂಗಲ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಖಾರ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಯು ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್? ಎಸ್. Yesterday's celebration you enjoyed. Now clean your head and you be prepared for the assessment. Okay, when is the assessment, children? Yes, from the Monday there will be assessment. So I have given you the syllabus and also the format question paper. With that I have given you the revision also. Yes? Yes. More or like I'll ask the same sequence questions. Some you have to write, some you have to tell it in oral, but there will be a lack of time. Okay, I'll give you some time, only few little time. In that you have to answer. You should not take the help of your mama. You have to answer yourself. There will be a marks which we will take it to in our progress report. Okay? Yes? If you ask mama, then I will go on minusing the point. So prepare yourself and you get ready for the assessment. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday will be the two papers, English and Kannada and Hindi. Okay? In these 3 days we will complete the English, Maths and EVS. Okay? I know what is that? That syllabus is large. If you are not ready, then it will be difficult for you, children. Okay? Get ready for your assessment. Be calm, cool, and you have to read. Okay? Enjoy the weekend also. Tomorrow, if you have any doubt when you come to the Zoom call, right, you can ask me. I will clarify all your doubts. Okay? Yes, we were talking about the good habits. Today we will learn little about cross the road only at zebra crossing. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Why it is called a zebra crossing? Can anyone tell to me? Yes. Because it looks like a texture of the skin of the zebra. Yes, no, children? In the zebra, there will be 2 lines, one with black and one with white. Like that we'll see, no? The texture, the skin of the zebra, it will come with one black and white, black and white, black and white. Can anyone see the red line on the zebra? No, it's a combination of subsequently black and white like that. In the zebra crossing on the road also they will make one pattern of black and white. On that only you need to cross the road. Why? Because that is the end of that signal. Okay, all the vehicles will come and stand there for a signal. Okay, that time in the traffic you will get one green color, a man moving signal. That time only we need to cross the line, cross the road only on the zebra. Okay, zebra pattern. Okay, ಆ zebra ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್. After that there again that signal will continue. Okay, you will not get any accident if you follow the safety rule while crossing the road. Understood? Yes. Today we will start our class. Shall we start our class, children? Yes. As usual, we will talk little about the language. That is blends. Daily we were learning little about the blends. Today the L blends. Okay, it is called a diagraph. What are the blends? Till now we learned BL, CL, then FL, GL. Correct, right? Okay, correct? Yes. It's a blink, black, blood, blow. Okay, in the CL, cloud, clue, light, clock. Okay, FL, flag, flap, flip, flow. Yes? Yes. In the GL, globe, glass, glue, glitter. Blink, black, blood, blow, cloud, clue, climb, clock, flag, flap, flip, flow, and glow, glass, glue, and glitter. These are some words of the L blending family. Okay? Yes? Yes. Yesterday we learned how we can make a sentence. In the general sense, I told you first imagine your own sentence at your mind. First think ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಬ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಊದ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಗಾಳಿ ಊದ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗಾಳಿ ಊದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಗಾಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಊದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. When air blows, when air blows, the eyelids start when air blows, the eyelids start blinking. ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೈ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಏರ್. ಈ ತರ ಉಫ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ air blows, the eyelids start blinking. I thought one sentence at my mind and I wrote in the same thing on the board. Okay. The second one is CL. CL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಕ್ಲೌಡ್, ಕ್ಲೂ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಡ್, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್. Can anyone tell to me? Cloud, clue, client, clock. I will take cloud and clock. Okay. I imagine, ನಾನು ಏನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. The cloud in the sky looks like a clock. The cloud in the sky looks like a clock. This is my imaginary. You can write any sentence what you imagine. Okay. Next, FL. Next ಏನು ಹೋಗೋಣ? FL ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. FL ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ದ L blends. Yes. BL, CL ಆಯಿತು. FL ನಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಫ್ಲಾಗ್, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್, ಫ್ಲೋ. ಫ್ಲಾಗ್, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್, ಫ್ಲೋ. ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬಾವುಟ. ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್. ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹರಿಯೋದು. ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ನೀರು ಹರಿಯುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋದು? ಫ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ನೀರು ಹರಿಯುವಾಗ, ನೀರು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೀಫ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ sentence in the English. The leaf was flipping in the flowing water. Okay, this is my imagination children. I told you, ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದ ಲೀಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನೀರು ಹರಿಯುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಲೀಫು ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಿ ವೈ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀರು ಹರಿಯುವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಬಟ್ while framing the sentence in English, I took leaf as the first. I mean flip in the first. First ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. This is called the grammar children. Okay, because the sentence differs from our Kannada imagination to English imagination. Okay, you can't imagine the same verse in the same sequence from one language to another language. The meaning should be same, the sequence will be different. Okay, yes. Next we will go to GL. Okay, in the GL it's also one family of L blends. Yes, GL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ? glow, glass, glue, glitter. Okay, glow, glass, glue, glitter. See, I will try to frame one sentence using all the four words. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈಗ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಗ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ sentence. Okay, the glass glowed with glitter was glowing in the dark. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ದ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗ್ಲೂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಗ್ಲಿಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಗ್ಲಾಸು ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೊಳಪು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ಲೋಗೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ like that. Okay, so the glass glued with glitter was glowing in the dark. Okay children, again and again I am telling you, before framing sentence, first you imagine what you have to write in your language, in your mother language, maybe in Kannada, in Tamil or Telugu, any language. You first think what you have to write in your mind, then you try to convert the same thing in the English, but you can't take the same sequence. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ leaf was slipping in the flowing water, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಹರಿಯೋ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಐ ರೋಟ್ ದ ಲೀಫ್, ಮೊದಲೇ ನಾನು ಲೀಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಫರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. The homework, before going to homework, today we are going to take the FL and GL words sentence in your phonic, discover phonic book. Okay, page number 5. What they are given? The flag flaps in the wind, the glow glows in the dark. I told you, no, when you have to write the glow or when you want to highlight something, you have to take the opposite one. Andre example, ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗಿಂತ ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೋ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ floats in the water, the glue fell on the floor. These are the 4 sentences. Homework is, one second, I'll write here. Read, okay, page number 5. Another one homework is 36. Okay, your phonic activity book. Page number 36. You have to complete the sentences. What they are given? The flag flaps in the wind, the globe glows in the dark, the flower floats in the water, the glue fell on the floor. Okay, phonic activity book, page number 36. You have to write. While writing, don't write running in the running handwriting. Try to write what they are given, that is blue to red line or from red to blue line. That you have to see. You have to write the date, today's day and date, and your name without failure. Okay, next we will move to the grammar part, that is sight words. Okay, see children, I have written some sentence here. First I will explain you what is the meaning of run. Okay, I told you run andre odu, odu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ run. Have you heard the word of run? Yes, yes, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ run ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡು? Yes, in your sports day your ma'am or your teacher will be always telling run, 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 go and reach your goal, finish the line, touch the destination. Like that they will tell no, run andre odu. ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಓಡಬೇಕು? It's a fast moving of the walking. Yes, run is nothing but you have to run and reach the goal. Yes, no? See, today I have written some sentences regarding the same side word run. Run ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ I have written here. Run to your school. Run to your school. Every day in the morning, Mama will be telling no. If you get late to school, what she will tell? Run to your school. Otherwise, you will get late and you will be punished. Like that, she will tell no. Run andre school ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ನಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಓಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Don't run in the road. Don't run in the road. See, here we are telling run. We do ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Don't run ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಓಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Don't run in the road. ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಓಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ when you going on the road, they will be shouting no, don't run. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. So don't run in the road. Run and catch the ball. Yes, run and catch the ball. When you are playing, your friends will tell ಓಡೋಗಿ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡು, ಓಡೋಗಿ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡು. They will tell no while playing. So that is the sentence run and catch the ball. To win the race, you need to run fastly. To win the race, you need to run fastly. Yes, in your sports day, your ma'am will be telling no. If you want to win the race, you need to run fastly. This is the side word run. Understood children? What is the side word? Every time I will be telling you it's a part of grammar where the words will be used frequently in making the sentence. Most of all the words except the naming word, everything will be a side word. Naming word ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಗದ ಹೆಸರು ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೇನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ prefixes, adjoints, verbs, nouns, adverbs, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, most of all they are called as a side word. Okay, understood children? Yes, now we are the homework is in your 4 lines book. Frame 5 sentences for side word run. Okay, you have to make 5 sentences for side word run. Don't take the help of your mama. What you have to write, you think yourself, try to write in the sentence, the mama will correct the grammar. Okay, next we are moving to next class, that is maths. Okay, yesterday also I told you we have learned the so many numbers, number name till 80. Already we have learned so many times. Today we are going to learn again the between, before, after. Okay, till 1 to first we will go to revise the numbers from 50 to 80. What I write? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, till here we learned the number from 1 to 80. For your summarization, I have taken from 51 to 80. Till here already you learned the number also and the number names also. Yesterday we revised by what? By picking randomly the numbers. We did some activity of the number names. Today I am going to do some between, before and after number. Okay, I have the cards from 1 to 60. I have taken the flash cards from 1 to 60. I don't know which numbers are coming in the mid, and take any 3 cards in front of you only. Okay, this is which number? Yes, it's a 21. This is which number? 50. Which number? 35. I know these all are not in the sequence. Means like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not in the sequences. But for your further education, I have taken any 3 random numbers. You already know what will comes after what. Okay? 21, 35 and 50. I'll write the same number here. 31. Sorry, 21, 35 and 50. Yes, these are the 3 numbers. 21, 35 and 50. You can learn which is greater and which is lesser also. What comes after what, that also you can learn. Here, can you tell me which is the between number? What do you mean by between? Between ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ದು ಮಧ್ಯ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು between ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು between ಅಂತೀವಿ. 21, 35, 50, which is the between number? Yes, 35 is the between number. Correct, no? This is between number. Between andre middle number of the 2 numbers. Maybe 3 numbers, 4 numbers or 5 numbers. But you cannot get a even number between number. Always the odd number will get a between number. Okay? 35 is in between 21 and 50. Correct. What is the before number? Yes, 21 is before number. Is 35 is not a before number? 35 before number alva? ಹೌದು, 35 ನು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ? 50 ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 35 is before than 50. Okay? 21 is before than 35. Like that. You have to compare the previous number or after number for the before and after. If I take the middle number as a constant, the 21 is before to 35 and the 50 is after to 35. Yes, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀವೋ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Yes, the homework is in your mathematics readiness book, page number 38. Okay. Okay. Circle the number that matches the corresponding number name. Circle the number that matches the corresponding number name. Page 38. Okay. that you have to circle. For example, first they have given Fi Fty 50 SIX 6. Fi Fty 50 SIX 6. 56, 54 and 58 they are given. You have to circle the 56 number. This is the homework for your mathematics. Okay children? Yes. The next homework is your fun activity. That is my art card book. Page number 28. What they are given there? Hairy hair. Hairy hair. That I can't convert it in the Kannada. You just read the sentence there. Paste black wool around the face to make hair of the boy. You have to paste this black color wool is there, no? You have to cut for 1 inches and you have to paste only on the head part, children. Don't paste on the face, okay? Don't paste on the faces and all. Only you have to paste on the head part, okay? This is your fun homework. That's all for today. Tomorrow, anyone there will be Zoom meet for you. If you have any queries regarding your assessment portion or any assessment this thing, you can call. You can clarify tomorrow. Okay, from Monday onwards, you get ready for your assessment. Already I told you in the starting of this class only. You prepare for your exam. All the best, children. Be happy at home.